Play on Roo and on registration use promo code LEPAJEE. Claim best bonus in 2026. Or if you already have an account, click redeem and in redeem field, enter code LEPAJEE for best bonus. It's that simple to get started.
Guys, if you're looking for the best Roobet promo code in 2026, redeem code LEPAJEE and claim best rewards and exclusive VIP benefits. Okay, easy peasy, best Roobet code, guys. Alright, so first of all, you need to go on Roobet. When you sign up, you will see optional field to redeem a code, and here you type a code LEPAJEE. Will be shown somewhere right there in a corner, you know, easy. There you type a code LEPAJEE and redeem best rewards on Roobet. Second step, if you're already on Roo and already have account, just go to redeem in the left corner right there, and here enter promo code LEPAJEE and redeem VIP benefits and claim the best Roobet promo code in 2026. Yeah, good luck.